Lloyd Institute delivers comprehensive quality education in terms of both academic knowledge and practical hands-on training. The curricula of our management programs is robust and in line with the latest market and industry requirements, thus making our course structure highly relevant in today's new normal. We at Lloyd firmly believe in the essence of making our students both job creators as well as competent in terms of job seekers. Apart from all this, I always had a passion for being connected to a younger generation whose interests stay in management education or business administration. According to me, working in a preschool with an environment that includes a touch of nature and 360 degrees holistic development is the best place to work at. Striving for excellence at par with enhancing competitiveness through upskilling and reskilling in the current VUCA world tends to be my interest. Edutainment, that is, combination of education plus entertainment, happens to be my focus since it's an emerging trend keeping in view the ongoing circumstances around us. I wish you all the best.